casting review. Is kids casting legit? Casting and auditions. Kids casting review. Is kids casting legit? Casting and auditions. If your child dreams of being in television shows, movies or commercials, kids casting may seem like the perfect gateway. But can you trust this site, or is it a potential scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming that all casting websites are legitimate. The surprising truth is that kids casting operates as a platform connecting parents with casting calls, but it's not always guaranteed that every opportunity is genuine. Parents need to exercise caution, because some listings might be unverified or even pay-to-play scams. You won't believe what happens next. Legitimate casting calls never ask for large upfront fees. Most reputable agencies provide contact through official channels, sometimes offering free registration. Kids casting claims to offer access to auditions and showcases, but users should carefully read the terms and research each opportunity before committing. To use kids casting safely, verify every casting call by checking the production company or agent independently. Never share sensitive personal information or pay for auditions without clear proof of legitimacy. Always maintain a healthy skepticism and consult reviews or parent forums. In conclusion, kids casting can be a helpful resource, but it's crucial to approach with caution. Not every opportunity is guaranteed to be genuine, so research, verification, and parental supervision are essential. By staying informed, you can help your child safely pursue acting or modeling opportunities.